All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign in this short video. And what you want to do is go to Connect Dynamics. The link to Connect Dynamics is in your training manual. So once you get here, click on this link that says log in or sign up. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and fill out this short form on the right where it says create a new account, and you'll be good to go. So once you create your account, you want to go ahead and log in. And once you're logged in, okay, first thing you want to do is add some funds. Okay, and that's very simple to do. Click on add funds here. All right, choose the amount of broadcast minutes you want to buy. It starts as low as $10 and goes up to $15,000. Just consider that part of your marketing budget. Okay. And when you click on buy now, just follow the prompts, and once you complete the purchase, the minutes will be loaded into your account. Normally, within a few minutes. Sometimes it might take up to an hour. Okay, so once the money is loaded up into your account, go back to your account, and what you want to do is actually click on this link that says sounds. And as it states in the manual, you're going to need a couple of different audio files. The first file is for people who actually pick up the phone live. The second file is for the calls that go into voicemail. With this particular voice broadcasting platform, you'll also need a do not call audio file. And that's for people who do press 9 to opt out of your list, and they'll hear a short message basically telling them they're opted out. And then you'll also need a transfer audio file, and that's for the people that press 1, and that file will basically tell them to just to hold on for a couple of seconds. They're being transferred right now to your press 1 message. Okay, so the way you create sounds is pretty simple. You'll see up here under option 1, you can actually record your broadcast messages over the telephone. They give you a number to dial. They'll also give you an ID number and a password. So just use those when you call in to record your audio files. Second thing you want to do, or the second option, is you can actually record your audio files on your computer and then use option 2 to upload those files to your Connect Dynamics account. All right. Once your files are uploaded, at that point, you want to create your campaign. And the way to do that is click on this link here that says New Campaign. And for the most part, where it's here in this section where it says Voice Broadcast Campaign, what you want to do is choose the live answer and answering machine with transfer. So you just click that radio button there. You'll also want to give the campaign a name. In this case, I'm just going to name it Demo Campaign. And down here at the bottom right, you want to type in the caller ID, the person answering the phone or seeing your call is going to see. Now, it's a good idea if you're going to be using a press 1 message on 800 link. It's a good idea to use that phone number as your caller ID. All right, that way anybody that sees that a call came in from that number, a lot of people will dial that number, and they'll immediately hear your press 1 message. Okay, so I'm just going to type in a number here. So 3504. Okay, and of course, if you elect on the press 1 to have the calls come directly to you, in that case, what you'd want to do is use your phone number in this section down here. So anyway, once you've decided what kind of campaign you're going to do, the live answer and answering machine with transfer, typed in your caller ID, named the campaign, just click next down here at the bottom. Okay? Now, you're going to choose the audio files that the person will hear when they answer the phone. So this first file here, okay, is the, I call it the live answer file. So what you want to do is click on choose sound here. The sound you've uploaded will open up in a new window. Choose the one you want them to hear, and you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is choose the do not call list audio message. And my computer's slowing down here for a quick second, so hang on while this thing spins around. Hang in there, guys. Whenever you're trying to do something on computers, this always happens. Things tend to slow down. All right, so what you want to do is over here on the right where it says do not call, play when user presses 9. Now, your typical message for a live answer will say something like, if you're still looking for a way to make money, press 1 to learn more, or press 9 to be removed from my list. So that's why you're going to choose this 9 digit here, so that when a person presses 9, they will be placed on your do not call list. Okay? So anyway, once you do that, choose the sound or the audio file you want them to hear. I've got the DNC file here, and that's all done. For the person that does press 1 because they want to learn more, okay, here you have the number 1 chosen. You're going to choose the sound, okay, and I'm going to choose the transfer audio file here, okay. Now, where it says transfer to, okay, that's where you're either going to have that, when the person presses 1, they're either going to be transferred to your recorded press 1 message on your 800 link account, or if you choose or you chose to have the call come directly to you, that's the phone number you would put in here. So in this case, I'm just going to put a phone number 1212. All right, good. And the final thing you want to do on this page is choose the audio file that will play if the call goes into voicemail. So I'm going to choose a file there. We're all good to go. Just choose next. All right, well, the account is processing all that. I'm going to wait for a second, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, on this page you can test your campaign. You could type in your phone number, for example, and then click on send me a call. And the system will call you to make sure everything's working properly. In this case, I'm going to skip that step. I already know I set it up right, so I'm going to go on to the next step. But if you want to test your campaign and have a test call, this is the page you do that on. So let's click next. Now here's where you will upload the leads you want to call. You want to use a CBS file, okay? And what you want to do is, in this case, the system is saying phone number, column A. Let me make sure the phone numbers are in column A for the test file I'm going to upload here. Just 1 second. No, they are not. It looks like they're in column B. But let's go ahead and see what happens here. Choose file. And I'm going to choose this ambit energy file. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to say that phone numbers are in column C. The reason that file didn't open properly is because I'm on a Mac as opposed to a Windows machine with Excel. So let's see if I've got this right. Once you choose the file, you've got to do some legal stuff here. Do you want to scrub these numbers from your accounts master DNC? Remember those people who press 9? Okay, well they will go into your do not call list. And if you choose this option, yes, these phone numbers will be scrubbed against your do not call list. So you'll probably want to leave this at yes. Do you want to add DNC calls from this campaign to your master DNC list? Yes. Do you want to remove duplicate phone numbers in your list? Absolutely yes. You don't want these people receiving multiple phone calls. And then in this field here you'll put your social security number. 212. All right, and next you'll enter your first and last initial, T, and then you want to type in I agree, and that just means you're following the law as you do these campaigns. Then click submit, and you'll see right here this campaign is created. Now what you want to do, let me just see what this is about. I don't know. Okay, now what you want to do is choose this campaign, the one you just created, select an option, and choose Schedule Campaign. All right, then click Go. All right, now do you want to click on this box that says Start Date? Normally the campaign you're scheduling will go on the same day you're scheduling it, so let's just say the 4th. How often do you want to run this? Once. Select your time zone. Okay, I'm in Eastern Standard Time. Choose the start time. In this case, I'm going to choose 1 p.m. I like to do my broadcast during the day. Okay, it's almost there. Oh, there we go. All right, 1 o'clock. And then I'm going to choose the end time as I don't know, it just really depends on how many leads I'm calling. But normally I give it an hour. The size campaigns I run can always be done in an hour. Once you choose your stop time, then click add and you're good to go. So anyway, guys, that's how you set up and schedule a campaign. If you have questions, go through this video again, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Take care, have fun, make money.